If you're looking for the best budget action cameras, and this video is for you. In this video, we will break down the top 5 best budget action cameras on the market for this year based on price versus performance and situations they'll be used in. So if you're interested in finding out which budget action camera will be best for you, stay tuned. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. So, let's get started. The first one on our list is AKASO Brave 7 LE. It is a compact action camera that represents an alternative to models in the GoPro and DJI lineup. The AKASO Brave 7 LE copies some of the core features of GoPros, but at a much more affordable price. The AKASO Brave 7 LE is an all-weather action camera. Its IPX7 water-resistant design can protect the action camera from rain, snow, and water splashing. Your underwater adventure can even go down to 40 meters while equipped with the included waterproof housing. Moreover, with innovative dual-color screen design, you can change framing and monitoring views between back and front, especially the vivid front screen that can satisfy your selfie's need. This action camera can take hyper-quality 4K video at a frame rate of 30 FPS and 20-megapixel photo, recording your adventure without missing any details. This action camera is equipped with an improved 6-axis EIS. It can provide gimbal-like stabilization and greatly boost the stability and fluency of your recording. On the other hand, digital zoom function and various shooting modes, such as time-lapse, burst photo, and fast motion, help you create your footage beyond imagination. Include accessories of 2 rechargeable batteries, remote control, waterproof housing, and multifunctional mounting kits help you expand your usage scenarios with a pleasant budget. The AKASO Brave 7 LE uses a small lithium-ion battery that's rated at 1350 mAh. Its model number is PG1350. As with most action cameras, the battery life isn't great. Maybe a bit over an hour of video shooting if you're lucky. But in a nice touch, it comes with a spare battery and a USB dual charging cradle. It can shoot up to 120 FPS in FHD to capture fast action or generate slow-motion footage, although it can't record at 24 FPS for those who prefer to shoot more cinematic-looking videos. Unfortunately, it can also only shoot at 30 FPS in 4K mode. Overall, the beauty of the AKASO Brave 7 LE is that it keeps things very accessible in the price department while maximizing features. It may not have all the prowess of that big-name brand action camera, but the AKASO Brave 7 LE is loaded with features that more than make it worth your money. The next one on our list is the WOLFANG GA300 action camera. If you're after an affordable alternative to the best GoPro alternative, then you will almost certainly have come across the WOLFANG brand. The WOLFANG GA300 action camera is a built-in 4K camera that offers up to 4K video resolution at a frame rate of 60 frames per second to capture all the details of your adventure. And its photo capture resolution can go up to 24 megapixels as compared to 20 megapixels of AKASO Brave 7 LE. Just like AKASO Brave 7 LE, it also comes with a waterproof casing, which makes it perfect for water sports. The dive mode significantly reduces blue or green light underwater, correcting colors to make your videos look more vivid and natural under the water. The WOLFANG GA300 has a built-in tripod thread, and the box contains a lot of accessories. The GA300 also comes with an external noise-canceling microphone to capture clearer sounds in noisy environments. The included multifunction mounting accessories can meet the needs of different usage scenarios, such as bike, motorcycle, riding, snorkeling, diving, and skiing, without buying additional accessories. What is more, the WOLFANG GA300 has an advanced electronic 6-axis electronic image stabilizer, which greatly improves the stability and smoothness of the video. With 8x zoom function, you can master the shooting distance. The WOLFANG GA300 camera has a sensitive touchscreen that can respond quickly with the light touch of your finger. Physically, the GA300 is more basic. It's got an on-off switch on the front, a shutter button on the top, and 2 rockers on the side for manually navigating its on-screen menus. Thankfully, they can also be navigated using its 2-inch touchscreen, which makes it much easier to use than the GA100. WOLFANG GA300 also has features like auto video recording, noise reduction, slow motion, time-lapse recording, burst recording, etc., which are full of potential for capturing all sorts of content. A smartphone can connect to the GA300 via its Wi-Fi network, which was stable and fast during our review. In a nutshell, although it lacks impressive build quality, the amazing features at such an affordable price outweigh all the negatives and make WOLFANG GA300 a perfect choice for you, especially if you are a beginner on a budget. The third budget action camera on our list is Dragon Touch Vision 3 Pro. This is probably the most affordable action camera in the market this year, with astonishing features working perfectly. The Dragon Touch Vision 3 Pro captures 4K video at a frame rate of 30 FPS and 16 megapixel still images via its high-precision lens and 170-degree adjustable angles. It has an external memory slot that supports up to 64 GB SD card, which enables you to extend the built-in internal storage with affordable memory modules or easily retrieve data from the memory card. Moreover, it is dust-proof and water-resistant. The Dragon Touch Vision 3 Pro is compatible with Android and iOS devices as well. The 2-inch touchscreen with IPS display makes the Vision 3 Pro action camera easy to operate and handy to shoot. Equipped with driving mode, loop recording, image rotation functions, time-lapse, burst photo, slow motion, etc., this camera offers extremely smooth photos and stable video. It has 4x zoom as compared to 8x zoom in WOLFANG GA300. The 2.4 GHz wrist remote control, when the Dragon Touch 4K action camera is mounted on helmets, selfie sticks, etc., can reduce the distance limitation and free hands. In addition, with its waterproof case, you can dive as deep as 100 feet, which is ideal for underwater sports such as swimming, surfing, diving, snorkeling, etc. This product does not have amazing video quality, but if you are looking for a decent camera, then this is a good option. The beauty of Dragon Touch Vision 3 Pro is that you can download the app XDV to share your videos or photos instantly on social platforms like Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram, etc. This action camera comes with 2 rechargeable 1050 mAh batteries. Each battery can record up to 90 minutes as experimented by us. Overall, the Dragon Touch Vision 3 Pro is a great camera at a fraction of the price of the GoPro. This camera has a crystal clear viewing screen even in the dark, and it is the easiest to operate. We would highly recommend this perfectly priced camera with amazing features. The next one on our list is AKASO V50X action camera. The AKASO V50X is a compact camera designed for action video. It comes with a clear plastic case advertised to render it waterproof and impact resistant, though we don't currently test for that. And it comes with a variety of accessories that allow it to be mounted to a helmet or a chest rig. You can use it for your bicycle rides as well. It fits perfectly in the handlebar or the helmet. The resolution quality is amazingly good, and you will not be disappointed for sure. This is one of the few inexpensive action cameras that have a zoom feature. The AKASO V50X features various video modes. There is a 4K camera that shoots video at 30 FPS. Other modes let you shoot video footage in 2K at a frame rate of 60 FPS and 2.7K at a frame rate of 30 FPS, and takes 12 megapixel still photos. The native 4K action camera is impressive, but sadly this 4K video camera doesn't have 4K at a 60 frame rate. But we are willing to trade that for the price cut. The V50X works with the RoadCam app, making it easy to use your smartphone to operate the camera. Getting a Wi-Fi action camera for this price is unheard of. The intuitive touchscreen, which is bright and simple, streamlined capture modes make it easy to jump right in and get great shots. It also supports external microphones. To add more to it, the electronic image stabilization feature of the AKASO V50X action camera records smooth, steady video whether you're skiing, snorkeling, or chasing your dog around the yard. With this adjustable view angle, you can set the view angle of this action camera according to your needs from 70 to 170 degrees. You can turn on distortion calibration. It can correct the image distortion. To speak of the battery, AKASO V50X action camera comes with 2 rechargeable 1350 mAh batteries, which support video recording up to 180 minutes, which is amazing. And 17 accessories kit fits most action cameras, even GoPro. Plus, it has a wireless remote control as well, but it's a poor fit for photography as it lacks an autofocus system. Yet, it is an attractive option with plenty of features under such an affordable price range. To conclude, the price point for AKASO's V50X is a great option for budgets or new-to-action cameras. This is a solid option for anyone looking for a good and inexpensive action camera, especially at the $100 price point. Last but not least, Cam M80 Air action camera is on our list as well. This camera uses advanced technology to record your moments and take high-resolution photos. There is also an HDMI system, and you can also view pictures on your TV. It also comes with a storage bag for easy carrying and no need to worry about missing accessories. The Cam M80 Air action camera has a 20-megapixel camera for still images, and it can record 4K videos at a frame rate of 30 frames per second. With a 170-degree super wide-angle 6G fisheye lens, capture and share your world in a fantastic resolution. Like many other action cameras, it also comes with flash memory and an external memory card slot. It also comes with wireless wrist 2.4G remote control. The remote control wireless range is 15 meters or 49 feet, which is quite impressive. To speak of connectivity technology, you can use the app to keep and share your exciting sports moments on your phone or tablet. Wi-Fi signal range of up to 10 meters. The 2-inch LCD HD display allows you to preview anytime, anywhere wonderful videos and photos in motion. Additionally, it is equipped with a durable IP68 waterproof sleeve. With the use of a waterproof case, you can record videos up to 40 meters under the water. This underwater camera is also equipped with 2 rechargeable 1050 milliampere batteries, and the battery charger can charge 2 batteries at the same time. Very convenient to save time. And it comes with many other multifunctional accessories. Most are compatible with GoPro cameras. Other functions of the Cam M80 Air action camera include loop recording, slow motion photography, driving mode, image flipping, time-lapse photo, exposure adjustment, and white balance adjustment. You can take the camera to a variety of sports environments and use it. The effect will exceed your expectations. To cut the long story short, it's a great little camera under the $100 price range. The camera is very simple to use. Overall, our experience with the Cam was pretty good. It's nothing professional, but it gets the job done and is worth it for the price with plenty of attractive features. You got it. So that's it for the top 5 best budget action cameras in the market for this year. Do like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.